Hi everyone, today I'll be explaining you guys a small little tutorial on how Scratch works and what you guys do here. So scratching is like a education coding. It's a really simple way of learning coding. It's like one of the best ways I learned coding, and this is mainly for beginners. And as you see, I'm on the Explore page. This is the Create button, which I don't really use that much, but if I want to create a project, I can do that. So might be wondering how you create an account. So the benefit of creating an account, when you first go on the Scratch thing, on the top right of your page, it says like sign in. The reason why, the benefit of signing in, you can still do the projects, but it won't save. Like on the next day you want to see your project and show someone, it's not going to be there because you don't have an account. So which is why I recommend making an account. If I click sign out, my account will be gone. Everything will be blank. This folder won't be there. That's my stuff. This is where everything's saved. This is my profile and everything. So let's just get moving and what I do in Scratch. So Scratch is the best way to do other things. Like I can do anything I want. Like anything. Like what do you expect? You can make games, stories, animation, not animation, but music, anything. That Scratch provides everything for you. It's a free software. You don't have to pay for this. And you can it's like a website. You can just Scratch mit.edu/projects, all that. Just click Scratch, will come free. The first link you see is the one I'm using right now, and it's really clear as you see. So this is the spirit. Spirits are characters. You might not. I know I don't understand why, but they use spirit. I don't understand why they use spirits. I know they can just use character, right? I don't understand why. But spirit are just characters. You can just choose your own character. You can just search it up. Sometimes like Belle, if I want a Belle, I guess. You can just, everything is free. Don't worry if it's money. Belle, it comes right there. This is the backdrop. If I want to change my backdrop, just go to the search thing. If I want a blue sky, it will be there. Also, you can make your own spirit. You don't have to use what they have. So, but sometimes I use it because they don't have it, because Scratch can't provide everything. Scratch can't just think what you have in your head, and you can make your own backdrop and everything, which just sounds cool. Upload a backdrop, surprise, and all that. This is the coordinate point, so like the direction and everything. If I go like that and go, wow, it changes the direction. So this is as you see, it's already clear, but I'm going to explain this. So if as you see, it's right there, the x coordinate. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. It's like math. That's why you need to know your coordinate planes in this, kind of. This is size. 150. Boom. Size. Changes size and direction. Like if I want 45 degrees, not 49, but 49. It goes. But 90 is the best. Usually 90 is usually the right angle. So why is it like that? I think that's how it's meant to be in the beginning. So you can make it you can name it, rename it. But Belle, like I can make my Belle. I don't know. My Belle Max. I named it Max. You can just name it Cat, I guess. Okay. So this is the costume, and the costume is like where you can change your cat's position. There is some code where you can automatically change it for you, but that's not what we're gonna do right now. I'm just gonna show you this. You can make colors. If you don't want a yellow cat, you don't have to make a yellow cat. So you can make a red, pink, I don't know, red cat. See here, red. Ta-da, it's a red cat. You have a red cat, finally. So this is sound. I don't really use this sound a lot. It's not really that useful. The MyBlocks variable. These are all the basic code that we'll be using. The MyBlocks is not really, we're not going to use it that much. The variables is mainly for the games that I play. And operators, I sometimes use it. Motions, all this is so, except the MyBlocks, but everything else is pretty important here. And yeah, so something else, this is your My folder. This is where you store your stuff. When you make an account, this will pop up. This is where you go to find all your saves. This is an auto save, I think, but sometimes it says on the top right, as you do some changes, it says like save now or something on the top right here. If I do something like this, just click save now, save it, because I don't know what's gonna happen. It might say like this is not gonna save. Okay. Next is something else I want to show you. This is optional. You don't have to use this. This is not really that important, but it might be helpful to you guys if you want to make something. So this is music, video senses, and all that. Some of these are mainly for like robotics, like this one, this one, this one. You can do robotics, I think. I have no idea. Translate. You can translate them into different languages. Music, pen. The pen, I know how to use the pen. The pen is mainly for the art. Like if you want to make an art. Even in the beginning, I didn't know what a pen was and what is this all about. But now I got a little bit of idea what a pen is. So one time I saw this channel where they use a pen. It's mainly for the art. Like if you want to draw something. No, not like draw. You have to make code. It's a separate code. Like. See, it's a separate code. Like you want to make something that is like a circle or something like that. And yeah, you can rename it. I don't know if I show you. It's not there. This is your project page. This is your project page. When someone comes and sees your thing, if you share it with someone, this is what they see. They won't really see your code, I think. But I think when you share, they will. You can change it here as well. But I like to go inside and change it because, right? I like to go inside and change it. File. You can save as a copy, upload it, load it, anything you want. Edit. I don't know what this is for, but this is... Oh, you can change in languages. Guys, want to change? Oh, this is Spanish. You can change in different languages, guys. Let's see. Don't worry if you don't understand English, this is something what I would do. But everyone understands your English, I bet. Let's just change it back to English, okay? And tutorials. Yeah, there's also tutorials here, guys. If you want to animate, make a video, make a chase game, I don't know. You can do all that, guys. You know, there's tutorials here waiting for you. There's a button. So this is it for the video, and I'm not doing anything because this is just a tutorial. And thank you for watching my channel, and see you next time. Bye.